Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 9th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So we had FOMC meeting minutes come out pretty much a few minutes ago. And I mean, my bias is definitely still down. The only thing that is really going to turn me back into a buyer is seeing a break of the 100% Fibonacci, which is right here, a break of structure. So I'm definitely looking at this move up as potentially being a crutch into this last wave down, and would actually make a lot more sense for me for this to actually go up to maybe the 61 or even the 78%, and then reverse back down to the downside. Like I said, I mean, meeting minutes just came out, so really anything could happen. But as of right now, the daily time frame is telling us that the market flow is down. So we should definitely be looking for sorts at the end of three-way pullbacks of the Fibonacci retracement of the last impulsive wave down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.